so much alive. With our eyes we see the light, colors, shapes of day and night.
Our ears catch sounds both loud and clear, birds that sing and friends so near.
Our nose can smell the blooming rose, fresh baked cookies, garden shows.
Our tongue can taste both sweet and sour, juicy fruits and veggies power.
With
Our skin we touch and feel, texture smooth and rough and we real. Five senses help us every day to learn, to laugh, to work, to play. So let's give thanks for senses five. They make our world so much alive.
So let's give thanks for senses five. They make
Our